Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can invite someone to your Calendly team in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to Calendly, log into your account, and navigate to the admin center here on the left sidebar. There, navigate to the users tab to the left. And there's a difference, guys, between inviting someone to your team and also to a group. You can create groups inside a team. So to invite someone to your group, stay within the users tab, select the given team here. I will go with this one. And what you want to do next is click into invite users here in the top right. And you may, for example, as you can see, a group creation is also possible. However, that is optional. So if you'd like to invite a user to your team, you may add the email address of the recipient here. For example, separate these invitees' email addresses with a comma, as you can see. And in the next step, you may set the roles. On the next page, like for example, admins of the given team, for example, you will see the role here in that list of your team. The user with the given role, owner, admin, member, and so on and so forth, and the assigned groups here. So guys, that's it. After that, once the given invitation has been sent, the given invitees may accept or decline the invitation, and after that, depending on the decision, be listed here in that user list of your team. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.